Hi there, once again welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a whiteboard animation with Canva. So at the end of the day we're going to create something like this. Like, subscribe if today is your first time visiting my channel, and don't forget to turn on post notification. Let's jump right into action. Now let's go to Canva, and then we're going to actually create this. So first go to create a design, and then go to what? Custom size. For the size I'm going to use HD size, so I'm going to use 1920 by 1080p. That's the pixels, and then I'm going to click on create new design. This is going to open in a blank tab like this with a blank new page. So basically this is what we're going to see. Now we're going to add our text and then whatever image or icons we want to use for our animation or whiteboard animation. We're going to add it to this screen, whatever we have over here. So the first thing we need to do is to add a text. So go ahead and click on text, and then select add a heading, and then type whatever text you want to use. In my case I'm going to type whiteboard. So this is what I'm going to type. I'm going to type whiteboard like this, and then I just want to enlarge this a bit. I'm going to enlarge this, and also I want to change the font type. So I want to use something that look like a sketch. So just click on your font and then select a font from here, and then select a font from here. If you don't have the pro version, Canva offers you a 30-day trial version, so you can sign it and then just upgrade to a 30-day trial version. After that you can cancel it, okay, so that you can have access to several fonts and features in Canva to use. Okay, so this is actually what I'm going to do. I've enlarged this a bit and I'm cool with that. I can just reposition this because I want to add some element beneath this. So I just want to go ahead and go to element and then search for any element that I want to use, and I would just want to add a computer beneath this. So you can type whatever you want to add, just place it behind this, okay, beneath this. So I just want to use a computer, so make sure you the graphics over here. So I just want to select the laptop here and then just drag it and place it just beneath this. So this is basically what I want to use to demonstrate. If you want to add several things, you can go ahead and then do that. So once this is set, all I need to do is to first download this. So I'll go to file, I'll go to share, and then go to download, and then make sure that this is left at what? PNG. So the suggested format should be like that. Don't change anything, and then go ahead and click on what? Download. This has been downloaded onto my computer, and then we actually going to upload this back. So I'm going to show you what we do next. So this is what we've downloaded as PNG. Now we're going to upload this back. So before that, I'll actually delete this. I don't really need this again, so I'm going to delete this. So the next thing we need to do is to go back to our tools here, go to apps and click on apps. We're going to search for speed paint. So just type the word speed paint. So this is actually what I'm looking for. I'll select that and then open it. If you open it, whatever we downloaded, that's the background we downloaded PNG, just make sure you upload it. So click on choose a file and then select that from here and click on open. Now it's going to add your file. Leave everything as default. For sketch duration, leave it at 5 seconds. You can just select any seconds you want. I will leave it as 5 seconds. Color fill duration, I'm actually going to leave it as 3 seconds. If you want to add your color to animation, you can do that. And also I want to add sketching hand effect. I want to do that, so I'll make sure I check this. And then we have some other option, add a fade out effect. I really don't want that, so I'm going to click on animate image now. So that is going to happen next. So click on animate image. It's going to take some time, so wait for this to finish. This is almost set, it's almost done. You can see this has been loaded on our screen. So let's actually try to enlarge this to fill the entire screen, and then we'll play this to see. Now this is set. Now let's play this and see. So you can see this is how our animation is going to be. This is the whiteboard animation. It's going to actually sketch everything for us and then also draw the computer. So whatever you add to the screen is actually going to demonstrate or sketch that for you. So basically this is how to create a whiteboard animation. There's a lot I'll be doing, there's a lot I'll be teaching right here on this channel. I'll do a lot of tutorials about Canva. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming video tutorials. So we meet again. Bye bye.